Powering up your recovery equipment shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle, especially when you're resting post-surgery. Getting your cold therapy unit plugged in and safely and correctly the first time ensures you get uninterrupted pain relief exactly when you need it most. Today, we're showing you the quick, step-by-step process to properly connect and manage the power supply for your Breg Polar Care Wave unit. Now, let's dive right in. Breg has recently redesigned the power supply for the Breg Polar Care Wave system, and we wanted to show you how to set it up. So, you're going to take the box, open it up, and pull out the bags inside. One bag is going to contain the power supply. The other bag is containing the piece that plugs into your wall. So you're going to take this piece, put it onto the power supply, turn, and click into place. Are you setting up your Breg Polar Care Wave for the first time or just troubleshooting? Let us know in the comments below. And it does tell you on top here how to lock and unlock, but when you turn it and you hear that click, that lets you know that it's secure and it is ready to be plugged in. Now, should you want to release this piece, you just need to press down this tab right here, turn it, and it comes off. We hope this guide gives you the confidence you need to take the next step in your recovery. To ensure you're set up for success from start to finish, be sure to explore the rest of our video library for more expert tips and walkthroughs. If you're looking for the medical devices and products featured in our videos, head over to mycoldtherapy.com to browse our full collection. Got a question about today's topic or a suggestion for a future video? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join us on the journey to better mobility. Thanks for watching, and as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.